asuntoskeittiö Raatihuoneenkatu 33, Hämeenlinna.
There's only one driver.
Yeah, maybe.
This is the status rate.
Raatihuoneenkatu 33.
Oh yeah. So the beginning of 76. Search history 7581. Yep.
I don't know, but maybe another way. It's calm now.
You think so?
Yeah. No, not.
Oh.
Somebody's coming, but he's a bit like you asked that maybe back on.
It's very embarrassing.
Yeah. But yeah, we have to go down to
Shoppers. Of yeah. But it takes always time to start.
Yeah.
So it's disturbing also. Good. And maybe he will not use the elevator.
Yeah.
Stairs.
Yeah.
He probably didn't press the same on the intercom that we pressed.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.